This expansion project is a $240 million investment in our region. And when we open, it means that we will provide more space for our patients by 40% and advance Inspira's care and services for the benefits of our patients and families.
This building is a cornerstone of our community. It's going to reach the needs of our family, our friends, our loved ones, and those in need, because Inspira is our health system.
1,400 medical staff members, 8,000 employees, and can't be more proud of us, right, what we've done. And our passion is to deliver ever more sophisticated healthcare right here in your backyard and receive outstanding care.
And if you look back 15 years ago, healthcare in South Jersey, it was different. It was at times combative, not always working together. That has literally turned 180 degrees, where healthcare systems are working together. For what reason? So those who are seeking help can come right here, can work together. And I just want to thank Inspira, the board, the administration for doing that, because at the end of the day, it's the people who come here in some of the darkest times.
What a better place to start your family than right here in South Jersey. And so we are so thankful that families will begin their lives here with their children here in South Jersey in this state-of-the-art facility. Also, anytime that you can bring education and world-class health together at one time, it's a home run.
It's South Jersey first. It's South Jersey more important than politics. South Jersey is more important than political party. It's about taking care of our people, our constituents, most importantly when they're the most vulnerable, when they're sick, when they're in need.
Whether you're experiencing the most joyous time in a hospital with a new baby, or perhaps some of the most heart-wrenching times at the bedside of a loved one in the ICU, perhaps even in hospice care, Inspira Health is committed to being there for the many diverse South Jersey communities with skill and compassion every step of the way.
This is a 150,000 square foot wing that will house an additional medical surgical unit, a much needed observation unit, a new neuro ICU, a new interventional radiology suite, expanded surgical pre-op and recovery space, as well as several shelved spaces for future growth, because yes, we do anticipate that the demand will continue to grow. And really, really importantly, our much needed graduate medical education suite, complete with a simulation lab, which will support our growing program in educating the providers of the future.
Clearly, when Inspira cited the need for a hospital in the center of the county, there was a vision and a need. Well, just a few years later, here we are celebrating already an expansion. The need was here, the healthcare demands necessitated it by high patient volume and advanced medical technologies. Your commitment to our community and providing high-quality patient care is evident.
To have a partner that cares about the whole of our society the way that Inspira does, the way they don't just talk about it, they are about it in their investment and with their dollars. That cycle of keeping residents and families together, educated, employed in Gloucester County, it's game-changing, it's life-changing, and it just furthers the success that we see right here in our community.
I want to say thank you for bringing such fine healthcare to our region. On behalf of our community and on behalf of the region, this is still early in the story, and we are so excited to be part of the growth of Inspira here in South Jersey and Mullica Hill.